Hello, this is Dallin Einotch, and this is my math quiz assignment. I want to start off on this screen so you can see that everything is indeed dynamic. The date, this is the default, and it's going to change to today's date, and then of course all the values are going to be randomized. So I'm going to click start here to start my project. Okay, so as you can see, the date 9/28/2019, which is today. We'll hit start the quiz. Timer starts at 30 seconds. Auto selects this because it's the second in the tab order, so we'll just start here, do 50. And then if you get a right answer, it does a sound, a little ding. So let's do 13, it's gonna ding, 40, and that's 8. So when all the answers are right, you'll get, you got all the answers right, pop up here. We can restart it so I can show you a couple more things. If we were to hit all wrong answers, I'll do wrong answer, leave it. There's no ding. Quiz also doesn't end automatically because the answers are wrong. And I'm going to let this get down to 5 seconds to show that I added a little bit of personalization, which is just going to turn it red. Okay, as you can see, this turns red, letting the user know that they're about to run out of time. A couple other things is, and you get the pop-up, you didn't finish time. A couple other things is I did add my own logo up here. In this corner you can see it, and I also add a green background to the start the quiz, just to give it some more personalization, and so green is usually start, so a little bit better for user experience. And that about sums up my assignment. Thank you for watching.